Chuck roast is a popular cut of beef that is flavorful and tender when cooked properly. Here is a simple recipe for making chuck roast in the oven. Ingredients: 3 to 4 pound chuck roast. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 cups beef broth. 1 cup red wine. 2 to 3 sprigs fresh thyme. 2 bay leaves. 4 to 5 large carrots, peeled and cut into large chunks. 4 to 5 large potatoes, peeled and cut into large chunks. Instructions: preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Season the chuck roast with salt and pepper on all sides. Heat the olive oil in a large Dutch oven or oven-safe pot over medium-high heat. Add the chuck roast and brown on all sides, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove the chuck roast from the pot and set it aside on a plate. Add the chopped onions to the pot and sauté until they are soft and translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the minced garlic and sauté for an additional minute. Pour in the beef broth and red wine, and add the thyme sprigs and bay leaves. Return the chuck roast to the pot, cover it with a lid, and transfer it to the oven. Cook for 3 to 4 hours, or until the meat is tender and easily pulls apart with a fork. About 30 minutes before the end of cooking time, add the chopped carrots and potatoes to the pot and continue cooking until they are tender. Remove the pot from the oven and let the chuck roast rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving with the vegetables and pan juices.